Oh, that was interesting. Aluminium. Oh, I certainly wasn't. But,
Something else in there with it, obviously.
well,
Fuck no.
the crucible's gone.
Yeah. Got a little hot.
I think it must have ignited a bit of zinc on this,
Yeah.
but
Yeah. Yeah, it smells like it. Actually, it smells a bit like fireworks.
yeah, it always smells like that.
Yeah.
Well, but I'd already pulled that out.
Yeah, which is why I called.
Yeah,
I was in the middle of having a crap.
Well, holy fact. Steel crucible's gone.
Completely gone.
It's gone. That was only aluminium that I had in there.
Yeah.
That's surprising.
Well, I'm glad it was that t-shirt face in the front here.
Well, that was interesting. That was just what was it? I can still hear it. Noise. That was just an aluminium radiator. I reckon there must have been some magnesium or something like that in there. The crucible, steel crucible, is gone. It's burned through most of the insulation in the floor and dropped out the bottom, which is what stopped the flames, the fire. Yeah, well, I'll be fucked. Must be some magnesium. The way that was burned, there must be some magnesium or something in those radiators, so I won't do that again.